ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 413. पूर्व पक्ष said द्वितीय भाव is also a vishaya of Vedanta, and if Vedanta has two vishayas, there will be Vakya Bheda, and therefore there is Advaita Hani also. So Purva Pakshi is saying Dvitiya Bhava should have Tatparya because it is not known through any other Pramana. And if you use Vedanta Pramana to know Dvaita Bhava, then Vedanta will reveal two things, Dvaita Bhava and Jiva Brahmatva. And therefore, Vakya Veda, Advaita Hani, all these doshas will come. So Siddhanti said, na. This is fourth line. स्वयमेव स्वबोधितमपि द्वितीया भावम द्वितीयत्वादेव निषेधति इति स्वविरोधादेव श्रुतेस्तत्र अतात्पर्यात्. स्वयमेव स्वबोधितमपि द्वितीया भावम, श्रुति स्वयमेव स्वबोधित द्वितीया भावम द्वितीयत्वादेव निषेधति. Shruti will do nisheda of Dvitiya Bhava. Why? Dvitiyatvat. Because Dvitiya Bhava is other than Brahma. So Shruti will do nisheda of everything other than Brahma. Neti neti iti vakyataha. So Dvitiya Bhava is also Dvitiya. Dvitiyatvat nishedati iti swavirodhadeva shrutehe tatra atatparyat. And that which gets negated, in that there is no tatparyam. Shrutehe tatra atatparyat. Swavirodhat. Swapadena shruti. मान विरोधित्व मात्रस्य तात्पर्या भावे प्रयोजकत्वात् स्वविरोधे अपि न क्षतिः. मान विरोधित्व मात्रस्य तात्पर्य अभावे प्रयोजकत्वात्. मान virodhi means anything that is मुख्य प्रमाण विरोधी. मुख्य तात्पर्य is in Advaita. If you say Dvitiya Bhava also has Advaita Shrutis mukhya tatparya, then Nishedha would not be Sangata. And therefore, in Dvitiya Bhava, there is no mukhya tatparya, in that Shruti itself is Virodhi. Man Virodhitvasya. Man means Pramana. Pramana means Shruti Pramana. श्रुति प्रमाण विरोधित्व मात्रस्य तात्पर्य अभावे प्रयोजकत्वात्. प्रयोजक हेतु. In तात्पर्य अभाव, the hetu is श्रुति प्रमाण विरोधित्वम, and therefore स्वविरोधे अपि न क्षतिः. So therefore, even if there is Advaita Shruti Virodha, Advaita Shruti Virodha will prove that Dvitiya Bhava does not have Tatparya. Further, now Purvapakshi says, Nanu. एकेनैव प्रमाणेन एकस्य प्राप्ति निषेधाव अनुपपन्नौ. One pramana will do prapti also and nishedha also. That should not be there. Ekasya prapti nishedhau anupapannau. Siddhanti said na. Rupa bhedena avirodhat. If there is rupa bheda means the nature in which he will explain what is rupa bheda. So Shruti Vakya भिन्न प्रमाण. By that, if there is virodha, the Purvapakshi's argument. Purvapakshi says, if Pratyaksha Pramana says Dvaita Bhava and Shruti is virodhi of that, then we can understand. But here no other Pramana is saying Dvaita Bhava. Shruti Pramana alone is saying Dvaita Bhava. So, ekenaiva pramanena, by one pramana, Shruti has this virodha. So, why do we say there is no tatparyam in Dvaita Bhava? Purvapakshi's argument is this. Shruti alone says there is Dvaita Bhava. Shruti alone is doing nishedha of Dvaita Bhava. So, one pramana is for prapti also and nishedha also. Purvapaksha says this is not okay. About Dvaitam, Pratyaksha Pramana, Anumana Pramana, Upamana Pramana, they give Dvaitam, Shruti will do Nishedha. About Dvaita Abhava, Shruti alone is saying Dvaita Abhava and Shruti alone is saying negation. So Siddhanti says, Rupa Bhedena Avirodhat. If there is any Pramana Virodha, then there is Tatparya Bhava. Whether it is Pramana Virodha or Anya Virodha, that is not the criteria. So Dvaita Bhava is upalabdha through Shruti Pramana and Dvaita Bhava is negated through Shruti Pramana. And therefore, there is no Tatparya in Dvaita Abhava. Tatparya is only in Advaita. Rupa Bhedena Avirodha. Dvitiya Bhava Swarupam hi Shastrena Prapyate. Tasya cha Prapyatavachedaka Rupam Dvitiya Bhavatvam. Dvitiya Bhava Swarupam is known through Shastra Pramana. Shastrena hi Prapyate. So, Prapyata Avachedaka will become Dvitiya Bhavatvam. Tachana Nishedhyata Avachedakam. That is not the Nishedhyata Avachedaka. Prapyata Avachedaka is one. Nishedhyata Avachedaka is different. So, Prapyata Avachedakatvam is Dvitiya Bhavatvam. Then किंतु द्वितीयत्वम एव निषेध्य मात्र अनुगतम. द्वितीयत्वम is निषेध्यता अवच्छेदकम and द्वितीय भावत्वम is प्राप्यता अवच्छेदकम. So they are different. This is the Rupa Bheda. There is Rupa Bheda between Prapyata Avachedaka and Nishedhyata Avachedaka. Is this clear? Are you all able to hear me?
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swami.
Prapyata Avachedaka and Nishedhyata Avachedaka. They are two different. Prapti of Dvaita Abhava. Nishedha of Dvaita Abhava. Prapti of Dvaita Abhava. So Prapyata Avachedaka will be Dvitiya Abhavatva. But Nishedhyatva is not of only Dvitiya Abhava. Nishedhyata is in everything that is Dvitiya. So Dvitiyatva Matram is Nishedhyam. Dvitiyatvam is Nishedhyata Avachedakam. Yatra yatra Dvitiyatvam tatra tatra Nishedhyatvam. Tatra tad anabhyupagame tu na tasya Nishedhyatvam. नवा तेना आत्मनः सद्वितीयत्वापत्तिः इति न कोपि दोषः. तद अनभ्युपगमे. If you don't accept that, if anabhyupagama means asvikara, tad asvikare tu न तस्य निषेध्यत्वम्. तस्य द्वितीयत्वस्य निषेध्यत्वम् न. In this book, at the end of 413, in Hindi, they have given couple of lines which are important. जहां पर प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक धर्म ही निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक होता है, वहां प्रापक और निषेधक दोनों शास्त्रों के समान विषय को होने पर भी विशेष शास्त्र के विषय को छोड़कर अन्यत्र सामान्य शास्त्र की प्रवृत्ति मानी जाती है. There where प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक and निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक, they are same. Then if prapaka vishaya and nishedhaka vishaya, if they are same, still what they will do? Vishesha Shastra Vishaya they will leave and Samanya Shastra will have pravritti. So Vishesha Shastra will be kept aside. Vishesha Shastra means apavada. Samanya Shastra means utsarga. Utsarga will be there for pravritti. And in exception, apavada will be applied. So this is the example he is going to explain. Navatina atmanah sadvitiyatva na kopi dosha. So प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक is द्वितीय भावत्व, निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक is द्वितीयत्व. So both can work together. There is no objection. And if Dvitiya Bhava is not different from Brahma, Brahma Advitiya, and Dvitiya Abhava, Abhava is not different from Adhikarana, Adhikarana is Brahma. So if it is not different from Brahma, then it will not have Dvitiyatva. If it doesn't have Dvitiyatva, there is no Nishedhyatva. If there is no nishedhyatva, then there is no dvaitapatti. It is only advaitam. So tad anabhyupagame tu na tasya nishedhyatvam. Nava tena atmanah sadvitiyatva. So then atma will not become sadvitiya. Therefore there is no dosha. Yatra tu prapyata avachedakam eva nishedhyata avachedakam. तत्र प्राप्ति निषेध शास्त्रयोः अतुल्य विषयत्वे. प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक and निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक, they are one and the same. Then प्राप्ति निषेध शास्त्रयोः अतुल्य विषयत्वे. प्राप्ति शास्त्र निषेध शास्त्र, they have different विषय. अतुल्य विषयत्वे अपि विशेष शास्त्र विषय परित्यागेन. विशेष शास्त्र विषय परित्यागेन सामान्य शास्त्र प्रवृत्ति. And if it is tulya vishayatve tu avagatya vikalpa. In this Hindi seems there is some mistake. जैसे दोनों शास्त्रों की समान विषय, दोनों शास्त्रों के समान विषय को होने पर भी, but the Sanskrit says प्राप्ति निषेध शास्त्रयोः अतुल्य विषयत्वे अपि. अतुल्य मीन्स नॉट समान, असमान विषय का होने पर भी. Other reading I have, it also is the same. प्राप्ति निषेध शास्त्रयोः अतुल्य विषयत्वे, when they don't have समान विषय, विशेष शास्त्र विषय परित्यागेन सामान्य शास्त्र प्रवृत्ति. तुल्य विषयत्वे तु, on the other hand, when there is तुल्य विषयत्व, tu agatya vikalpena one shastra will be applied, second shastra will be applied. And therefore iti na nishedasya asankochena pravritti. So nisheda will not have nisankocha pravritti. Nisheda will be having sankocha. Example will make it clear. यथा न हिंस्यात् सर्वा भूतानि इति निषेध शास्त्रस्य अग्निशोमियम पशुमालभेत. न हिंस्यात् सर्वा भूतानि इज निषेध शास्त्र. अग्निशोमियम पशुमालभेत इत्यादि प्राप्ति शास्त्र. प्राप्ति शास्त्र मीन्स पशु आलभनम प्राप्ति इज देयर बाय दिस मंत्र, and the न हिंस्यात् सर्वा भूतानि is nishedha vakya. Pashu nishedha is said by that mantra. So samanya utsarga will be ma hinsyat, na hinsyat sarva bhutani. Apavada will be only when agni shomiyam is done, pashu alabhanam will be there. So samanya shastra will do hinsa nishedha. Vishesha shastra will have hinsa prapti. So samanya shastra vishaya is hinsa nishedha. Vishesha shastra is hinsa. They are two different. But in this case, prapyata avachedaka and nishedhyata avachedaka, both are hinsatva. So it is not that the prapyata avachedaka and nishedhyata avachedaka are different. Prapyata avachedaka and nishedhyata avachedaka both are hinsatva only. So दार्ष्टान्त he said प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक and निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक. If both of them are different, so one pramana can do prapti and same pramana can do nishedha also. This is case one. प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक, निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक both are different. प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक is द्वैत द्वितीयत्व. निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक is द्वितीयत्व. प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक is द्वितीयत्व अभाव, द्वितीय अभावत्व. निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक is द्वितीयत्व. द्वितीय अभावत्व is प्राप्यता अवच्छेदक. निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक is द्वितीयत्व. So they both are different. So therefore same pramana, Shruti pramana can do both. Shruti pramana can say there is no Dvitiya abhava is there, and Dvitiya nishedha also Shruti will do. Where Prapyata avachedaka and Nishedhyata avachedaka are same, then there are two scenarios. One is Prapti Shastra and Nishedha Shastra, they have Atulya Vishaya. So Agni Shomiyam, by that you have Agni Shomiyam Pashumalabheta. Hinsa Prapti is there. Na Hinsyat Sarva Bhutani, Hinsa Nishedha is there. So Vishaya is different. One is Hinsa Prapti, another is Hinsa Nishedha. But Prapyata Avachedaka and Nishedhyata Avachedaka are same, Hinsatva. Second example is, see, अतिरात्रे षोडशिनम गृह्णाति, नातिरात्रे षोडशिनम गृह्णाति इत्यादि प्राप्ति निषेध शास्त्रयोस्तु विकल्पेन एक विषयत्वम्. In this Prapti Shastra and Nishedha Shastra, between them there is Vikalpa. Why there is Vikalpa? Because they have Tulya Vishaya. Prapti Shastra and Nishedha Shastra has Saman Vishaya. Earlier example was Prapti Shastra and Nishedha Shastra has different Vishaya. But Prapyata Avachedaka, Nishedhyata Avachedaka are same. In Darshtanta, we said Prapyata Avachedaka, Nishedhyata Avachedaka are different. Pramana is same. Now here, Avachhedakas are same. Pramana is of course same, Shruti only, but their Vishayas are different. In the Mahinsya Sarva Bhutani and Agnishomiyam Pashumalabheta. In Atiratre Shodashinam Grinnhati and Natiratre Shodashinam Grinnhati, Prapti is Atiratre Shodashinam Grinnhati. Nishedha is Atiratre Shodashinam Na Atiratre Shodashinam Grinnhati. So Vishaya is Atiratra. Atiratra Yaga. Atiratra is the name of a Yaga, which is Samana Vishaya. And Prapyata Avachedaka, Nishedhyata Avachedaka is also same. Shodashi Grahanam. Shodashi is a Patra. I think it is explained in see in 414 in Hindi 5th line. जैसे अतिरात्रे षोडशिनम गृह्णाति तथा नातिरात्रे षोडशिनम गृह्णाति. ज्योतिष्टोम नाम के सोमयाग के 4 प्रयोग या संस्थाएं होती है. ज्योतिष्टोम इज ए सोमयाग. इट हैज 4 प्रयोगास. अग्निष्टोम, उक्थ्य, षोडशी, अतिरात्र. So in this Atiratra karma, Shodashi is a patra. That patra is called Shodashi patra, in which they will give Somarasa. So in Shodashi patra, in Atiratra Yaga, Grinhati, that patra with Somarasa he will take or he will not take. So this is Vaikalpika Anusthana. So in this case also, Avachedaka, Nishedata Avachedaka and Prapyata Avachedaka is Shodashi Grahatva. But in the first case, Vishaya is different. Hinsa Prapti and Hinsa Nisheda. In the second case, Vishaya is same. Atiratra Yaga. And therefore, where the Vishayas are different, but Avachedaka, when I say Avachedaka means Prapyata and Nishedhyata. Avachedaka is same. So then, in everything else, Samanya Shastra Pravritti, na hinsyat. And in Agni Shoma, Vishesha Shastra Pravritti will be there. On the other hand, in the case of Shodashi Graha, there is Vikalpa. You can do either. Because Prapyata, Nishedata, Avachedaka are also same. And if you say only Nishedata Avachedaka, Atiratre Shodashinam na grinati, like ma hinsyat sarvabhuta, na hinsyat. So like that, if you do Nirankusha Pravritti, then Prapti Shastra will become Vyartha. So you have to do Sankocha. That is given. इत्यादि प्राप्ति निषेध शास्त्रयोस्तु विकल्पेन एक विषयत्वम् एकस्यैव हिंसात्वस्य षोडशी ग्रहत्वस्य च प्राप्ति निषेधयोः अवच्छेदकत्वात्. One and the same thing, hinsatva in pashu hinsa nisheda, shodashi grahanam in both. So nishedit, this prapyata nishedata avachedaka is same. प्राप्ति निषेधयोः अवच्छेदकत्वात्. तत्र निषेध शास्त्रस्य असंकुचित वृत्तित्वे. निषेध शास्त्र will have uncontrolled excess. Then everywhere Nisheda Shastra alone will apply. Vidhi Shastra will not have room to come. Prapti Shastra will become Vyartha. Prapti Shastra se Sarvatmana Vaiyarthya Pattihi. But in case of, and that's why the arrangement is done so that there is no Nisheda all the time. When Agni Shomya is there, Pashu Alabanam is allowed. And in Atiratra, the Shodashi Grahanam or Agrahanam is Vikalpena. Means, when they say Vikalpena means, it is left to the desire of the Yajamana. Whether he wants the Somarasa and Somarasa Grahanam or he wants to skip it. प्रकृते च द्वितीयत्वेन रूपेण निषेधस्य एव शास्त्रार्थत्वात् न कस्यापि वैयर्थ्य शंका. But in case of दार्ष्टान्त द्वितीयत्वेन रूपेण निषेध्यस्य एव शास्त्रार्थत्वात्. Anything that is dvitiya, immediately you have to negate. Because neha nana asti kinchana. So that which is dvitiya is negated. Dvitiyattvena rupena nishedasya eva shastrarthatvat. न कस्यापि वैयर्थ्य शंका, and therefore there is no वैयर्थ्य. अतएव द्वितीया भाव निषेधे पुनर्द्वितीय द्वितीय उन्मज्जनापत्तिः इति निरस्तम्. Now this is something that was discussed earlier in mithyatva vichara. Jagat is mithya. This vakya is satya or mithya? Jagat is mithya. This vakya is also mithya. Brahma alone is satyam. So if Jagat mithya vakya is mithya, then Jagat should become satyam. Because someone says, I am telling the truth, and this statement is false. I am telling the truth, and this statement is false. Which means what? I am not telling the truth. So here also, then punah dvitiyatvam will come. This is nirastam, where upapaditam etan mithyatva sadhane. This was already explained in mithyatva. Jagat mithyatva is mithya, that doesn't make Jagat satyam. Because wherever there is drishyatvam is mithyatva. यथा प्रतियोगी अभावयोर निषेध्यता अवच्छेदक ऐक्ये नैक निषेधे अपरसत्वापत्तिः इति. प्रतियोगी अभावयोः, प्रतियोगी and its abhava. So Pratyogi is Rajatam, let us say. Its abhava is Nedam Rajatam. So neither there is Rajata nor there is Rajata abhava. There is only Shukti. So Pratyogi abhavayoho nishedhyata avachedaka aikye na eka nishede aparasattvapattih. If you negate one, then other will show up. That is not true. Why? Nishedhyata avachedaka is same, and therefore one nishedha will not produce the other one. Nishedhyata avachedaka, if you take Dvaita bhava, so Pratyogi will be Dvaita, Pratyogi abhava will be Dvaita abhava. Dvaita and Dvaita abhava, both are Dvitiya. So avachedaka is Dvitiyatva. Therefore, both can be negated. Dvaita also has Dvitiyatva. Dvaita abhava also is Dvitiya compared to Brahma. And therefore, negating one will not produce the other. Eka nishede apara sattva apattihi na. And he explains this through this classic example, Shukti Rajat. Nacha svenaiva nishiddhasya dvitiya bhavasya dvitiyasya iva visheshanattvena upalakshanattvena va punarupadanam na yuktam iti vachyam. स्वेनैव निषिद्धस्य द्वितीयाभावस्य. Shruti itself has done negation of द्वितीयाभाव. And द्वितीयस्य इव विशेषणत्वेन उपलक्षणत्वेन वा. And that as Visheshana or Upalakshana, this is how the whole topic started. Punarupadanam na yuktam. Again, you cannot use it as Visheshana or Upalakshana. Iti na cha vachyam. Abhava buddhau nishiddhasyapi pratiyoginaha sa shuktihi iti atra pratisiddhasyapi प्रसिद्धस्य प्रतिषिद्धस्यापि और प्रसिद्धस्यापि. What is the part? निषिद्धस्यापि. निषिद्धस्यापि प्रतियोगिनः सा शुक्तिः इति अत्र प्रतिषिद्धस्यापि पूर्वप्रतीत रजतस्य उपलक्षणतया उपादान दर्शनात्. What he is saying, I'll take only 1 or 2 minutes. If I say there is no rajatam, there is only shukti, then why do I have to use that rajatam for negation? Because we say nedam rajatam shuktiriyam. So that's what he says. Abhava buddhau nishiddhasyapi pratiyogina. Pratiyogi is rajat, whose abhava is there. Therefore, it is nishiddha. Na idam rajatam. Sa shuktihi. It is shukti. Iti atra pratisiddhasyapi purva pratita rajatasya. Rajata which was purva pratita upalakshanataya upadana darshanat. Upadana means grahanam. It is used as upalakshana to indicate shukti. Asang prakriti अष्टांग ज्ञान प्रयोजकत्वस्य असंकीर्ण ज्ञान प्रयोजकत्वम is samanam here. It is not rajata, it is shukti. It is not jagat, it is brahma. So some upalakshana is there so that there is no sankirna akarata. It should become asankirnata. Asankirna jnana prayojakattasya. Sankirna means limited, finite. So to remove that sense of finitude, no dvitiyatva is retained. Every dvitiya is eliminated. तस्मात् एकमेवा द्वितीयम् इत्यादि श्रुति ही विश्व मिथ्यात्वे प्रमाणम इति सिद्धम. सो एकमेवा द्वितीयम, the shruti is praman for jagat mithya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.